Let's go.
Okay, I'm taking the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. I was nominated by Ms. Kiwi Smith of Scotland, who's been visiting us the last month. And Kiwi, if this is your way of saying thank you for coming, you could have just got me a certificate for ice cream or frozen yogurt. That would work just as well. But seriously, doing this bucket challenge and also in donating to the ALS Foundation, and encourage everyone else to do the same. We need to work together to try to find a cure for this insidious disease. Let's see, I nominate 3 people. I'm nominating Natalie Rose Lewis of Tennessee to kind of remind Natalie of our visit, our bike ride together through the rain and sleet of Montana Hills last year. I nominate Heidi Hilsman Shelton, who one of our adopted daughters, who has a tendency lately to want to jump fully clothed into pools for some reason. And I nominate Madeline DeFerret, because if anyone needs a cold shower, it's Madeline. Okay, I'm ready.
All right, guys, jump.
Oh, that's perfect.
Holy mackerel, that looks cold. Yeah. That is cold. One ice cube would have been enough. I have to dump this?
Yeah.
I don't think anything went in this.